Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we are looking at one of the most unique and extravagant creations to ever grace the open road, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't just transportation. It's a rolling palace, a mobile retreat built for those who expect absolute perfection and refinement even when they're hundreds of miles from home. Rolls-Royce has taken its century-long legacy of crafting the finest automobiles in the world and extended that philosophy to the world of motorhomes, creating something unlike anything else on wheels. The exterior design is the first thing that leaves you speechless. From the moment you see it, the motorhome looks every bit a Rolls-Royce. It carries the imposing stance, the elegance in proportion, and the kind of road presence that instantly communicates authority. The front end proudly wears the signature Pantheon grille, finished in polished chrome, with a spirit of ecstasy rising gracefully from its crown. Slim laser LED headlights flank the grille, giving the face a modern and piercing expression. Along the sides, the body is sculpted with sweeping lines that disguise its massive size, making it look sleek rather than bulky. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and elegant alloy wheels add finesse, while the massive panoramic windshield provides commanding views for both driver and passengers. The rear has been styled just as carefully, with wraparound lighting and an integrated ladder system that maintains the luxury aesthetic without betraying its practical function. Rolls-Royce wanted this vehicle to be as beautiful as it is functional, and from the outside, it's clear they succeeded. Step inside, and the interior experience redefines what a motorhome can be. The living quarters are designed to rival five-star penthouse suites, blending cutting-edge technology with handcrafted artistry. Every surface is touched by luxury. Soft grain leather in your choice of bespoke colors, polished walnut and mahogany trims, aluminum inlays, and even customizable embroidery. The lounge area feels more like a high-end drawing room than a mobile cabin, complete with reclining leather armchairs, a concealed entertainment system, and a dining table that automatically extends at the press of a button. Ambient lighting has been integrated seamlessly into the ceiling and floor panels, allowing owners to set moods ranging from a soft evening glow to a bright, energizing atmosphere. The kitchen space is both practical and luxurious, equipped with induction hobs, a full-sized refrigerator, and smart storage solutions that use space intelligently while maintaining elegance. Rolls-Royce's obsession with silence continues here. Appliances are engineered to operate with near-zero noise, preserving the serene atmosphere. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, you're greeted by a king-sized bed fitted with hand-stitched linens and memory foam mattresses designed specifically for the vehicle. The bedroom can be customized with anything from classic wood panels to minimalist contemporary designs, all infused with Rolls-Royce's craftsmanship. The bathroom pushes boundaries as well. Rainfall showers with marble walls, heated floors, and vanity mirrors equipped with smart lighting ensure comfort on par with luxury resorts. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Beneath its commanding frame lies a powerful twin-turbocharged V12 engine adapted from Rolls-Royce's flagship models, tuned for effortless torque delivery. It produces well over 600 horsepower, but more important than the numbers is how it delivers that power, silently, smoothly, and with an ease that belies its size. Driving a motorhome has never been so serene. The advanced adaptive air suspension ensures that potholes, rough asphalt, or uneven country roads simply melt away. The steering is light yet precise, making it far easier to maneuver than you might imagine. Rolls-Royce engineers have also integrated the latest driver assistance technologies, including lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera suite that makes parking such a large vehicle feel surprisingly manageable. Out on the highway, the cabin is whisper quiet, allowing conversations in normal tones or simply enjoying the sound system, which has been custom-tuned by Rolls-Royce's audio engineers. And of course, we need to talk about the price. because a creation of this magnitude comes with a figure to match. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to start at around $2.5 million US, but as with every Rolls-Royce, the price is only a starting point. Bespoke customization means that no two motorhomes will ever be the same, and depending on the owner's preferences, be it exotic leathers, rare wood trims, or even onboard art installations, the price can easily soar past $5 or $6 million. For the clientele Rolls-Royce is targeting, this isn't so much an expense as it is a statement of lifestyle, a way of ensuring that even on the longest journeys, comfort and elegance remain uncompromised. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of how far luxury can be taken when a brand refuses to accept limitations. It fuses craftsmanship, innovation, and grandeur into an experience that transforms travel into something extraordinary. Whether parked on a mountain pass, overlooking the ocean, or gliding silently across motorways, it delivers the kind of opulence most people only ever dream of. If your vision of adventure includes uncompromising luxury and limitless refinement, then this motorhome sets a new standard for what's possible on the road. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned with KK Autos for more detailed reviews of the world's most exciting and extraordinary vehicles.